You know those Christmas trees you see on Pinterest?
Yeah.
And they're like really perfect?
Mm-hmm.
I want one of those.
Me too. We are at Hobby Lobby. We do not have one in the town that we live in, so we're out of town. All the Christmas stuff's 50% off. We are going to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. That is cool. Oh, you guys have such good ideas. Unfortunately, we can't incorporate all of your ideas onto the tree, huh? And you guys, our basket is totally full. I even have fake snow on me. I'm just feeling very festive. I can't even show you everything we have in here, but I'm feeling good about it. I have never been in a craft store this big. If we had one of these where we live, maybe it's a good thing because I would probably spend way too much money. Desmond is not the biggest fan though. He was a fan for about 20 minutes and then not so much. So when we were looking for Christmas tree inspiration, we realized we loved all of the flocked trees.
There's one problem. All the trees that were flocked were going to take 27 years to get here.
And we also really like the trees at Costco. The problem is they're not flocked, right? So we are going to try to flock this. It sounds so bad.
It does. We did it! It's done. All 12 feet of this tree has been manufactured by us. Mainly me, but... See that, Amanda? I built that.
Wow, babe.
Section by section.
Wow.
With my bare hands.
There's nothing more attractive than a man who lies about building a Christmas tree himself.
All right, so we got the tree assembled. One thing you have to realize is that this is a 12-foot Costco tree, so it's pretty dang tall. So that's why we're using this trusty ladder. But the reason, again, we went with the Costco tree is because they are really good trees for the money, as we mentioned earlier. One thing you want to look at is, yeah, you can get 12-foot trees for a lot less money, but you want to look at is how many LEDs that they have on them. In this case, I think it's what, is it 1,400?
Something like that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 1,400 LEDs, and a lot of other trees that we've seen like at Walmart and other stores like that will have like 400 or 600 lights, so take that into consideration. There's also some extra features with this tree, like you can change the lights from white to RGB. The RGB, I can't remember. Anyway, you can change the colors so it looks spectacular. Anyway, so hopefully we don't destroy this tree and it turns out to be well worth our time. Okay, step 2, you're taking the water and you're spraying this tree. Are you sure this tree is waterproof?
This is not waterproof. That's why you just don't spray it too much.
I bet you anything you're not supposed to do this.
Well, of course you're not supposed to do it. It'd be flocked already.
I think all the tutorials, Amanda, are probably for trees that don't have the lights on there already.
No, we watched tutorials that were pre-lit trees and they said you get it wet, but not soaking wet.
And they already had lights on them?
They already had lights. That's what pre-lit means.
Hogwash. Never heard that term in my life. And for those of you guys that don't know, the word flock means to make a tree look like snow.
Yeah. And we got this product, Snow Flock, on Amazon. You can just buy your own powder and flock your own tree. Shaye, that's the word.
Amanda, the way your face is glistening in the sun right now. So hot. It is honestly killing me a little bit that we can't have a tree outside. Like seriously, try to imagine that this tree was right here. Tell me there's not a part of you that wants this tree to stay out here.
Small part of me, but it's gonna be in the great room.
I know.
In the great room.
But what if we had a second one? One in the great room and one right here.
Well, when you talk like that, why don't we just line up a whole row of Christmas trees all across the backyard?
I guess we should.
And the front yard.
Here, I'll show you. Okay, try to imagine that you're looking out this window and this tree over here is just right here. Wouldn't that make you feel a warm inside? I think it's a great idea. I don't know, maybe next year. Comment below if we should put a tree out there. I don't even know if you can put these type of trees outside.
I wanted to show you one of the projects I've got going in decorating this Christmas tree. You guys, I hate wasting stuff, and so I like to repurpose things whenever I can. These are some ornaments that I bought probably 5 years ago. We are using some red on our Christmas trees, but these are just a little bit too big. We want pops of red, and this is more like, it's more than a pop. These are big. I've got some silver ones I can keep, but I've got, let's see, 6 of these big red ornaments that I'm going to be making over with some manila rope or some gold spray paint. I'm just gonna be creative and see where it goes. I've got my first 4 ornaments painted, and I think I'm gonna go spray paint these other ones gold. It's dark outside, so it would be kind of hard to show you, but I knew this can of gold spray paint would come in handy for something. For the first 2, I'm going to wrap these in this manila rope. If you have watched some of our recent videos, this is gonna look really familiar to you because I used the same rope to make over some Dollar Tree chargers for a Thanksgiving tablescape. But I've got lots of it, and I thought these ornaments would be really cute with rope wrapped around them, so we'll see. Well, that took forever, but it turned out really cute. Now I just need to make another one. Okay, so I had this idea. I'm really not sure if it's going to work or not, but I had this scrap yarn, and I thought how cute would it be to have a knit look on one of these ornaments? But knitting takes way too long, and so I just made a big, massive crochet chain. This reminds me of when I was a little kid because all I knew how to do was chain when I started crocheting, and so I think I made like a 12-foot long chain, and I never like actually kept crocheting. So anyway, I'll have to try this and see how it looks. I'm in love with this one. It turned out so cute. I don't think I have enough to make 2. Trying to figure that one out. All right, the next ornaments I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap in this tweed merino yarn. This was a garage store find from years and years ago. I'm gonna put it to good use. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This one turned out ugly. So, plan B, see if we can salvage it. Make it a happy accident. That's better. If I saw this at a store, I don't think I would buy it, but maybe it will add some cute texture on the tree. You never know. All right, we've got the tree in here. Some of that snow flock is coming off, but you know, it's still looking frosted. And I've got my girl Lauren here with me. We're so excited. So Lauren, you're an event planner by trade.
Yeah.
And like the queen of Christmas. I am so grateful you're helping me decorate my tree. You guys, every year I'll be like, Shay, I got these new decorations and our tree's gonna be so cute. And then I'll decorate it and he'll be like, yeah, that looks good. There's something that's missing. And I'll be like, oh my gosh, you're right, something is missing. Because it's an art to decorate a Christmas tree.
Yeah, it takes way more than people think. They're like, oh, this will be plenty for my tree, and they get home and it's not even close to enough for their tree.
And we have a 12-foot tree, so hopefully we have enough.
You'll be surprised how much we use on that.
Oh, I'm sure. Well, the best ones do, it seems like, just have so much going on, but it all flows together.
I love so many different things about Christmas and different styles, and I have to like hone it in and say, no, this is the theme and the style of this tree, even though this is beautiful, it doesn't fit. So I have to like not do it.
Listen, are you excited for Christmas? No. You're gonna love it, I promise. No. You guys can check out all of the amazing projects that Lauren does on her Instagram, which is Harwood Happenings, and we've got that linked in the description.
Come find me.
So babe, you're gonna do the honors of the very first Christmas decoration. Are you excited?
I'm only doing this because I'm tall.
Yeah, that's true.
Desi wants to actually do it.
Come here.
Let's try it. Here we go. Like maybe right here?
Yeah. Yep.
And don't screw this up.
And just the...
Like,
Yeah, like that.
Uh-huh.
Promise. Hey, we've got our fur ribbon up. It's looking awesome. We got the spacing just right. I'm always talking about texture. Shay makes fun of me, but that looks good. I love the texture of the fur. It's so, so cute. What's next, Lauren?
Any sort of like greenery picks that you pick. So whether it's holly berries or poinsettias or flowers, you do that, and your ribbon bows next if you do ribbon bows.
All right, phase 2. It is looking so cute. All of the big balls are next, right?
Yep, the big ones, oversized ones.
Ooh, we're gonna start filling it in. So we'll do the big ones and then the small balls. Is that how we do it? Okay, and then all the irregular shaped after that.
Yep.
I'm so excited.
All right, Emmy, close your eyes. We're gonna show you the Christmas tree that we've been decorating. You excited?
Yes.
And you can even help us decorate the back. So, okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
What are you doing? Emmy, the tree is right here. What are you doing? You're gonna decorate it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Okay. Okay, the last piece of the tree right here, right? Awesome.
We could not have done this without you, Lauren.
Okay.
Adam's gonna fall.
Yeah. She falls and hit the tree and it falls over.
That looks good. We could not have done this without
Yes.
Lauren. You were just like
Thank you, Lauren.
Oh, it was awesome. So head over to her Instagram, Harwood Happenings, and you can see all the amazing work she's doing. So many cool things.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh, I'm so happy you helped us with this. Yeah. You're awesome.
Thank you.
So first Christmas with the new tree. It looks awesome.
What is the biggest advice you would give to people? Like, what are the biggest mistakes people make?
Know what you want and stay within like some sort of like theme, because there's so many different things that people love about Christmas, so they just combine them all into one. And it's important, I think, to stay within the theme that you've decided on, whether it's like woodsy or whether it's like simple elegance. Just stick with it and trust your gut too. I think people second guess themselves.
That's awesome advice. The other day you were telling me, just trust your gut. It's kind of scary sometimes, but
No, you can always take things back. If you don't like it, then take it down and start over, or
Take it
move
back.
things around.
we were talking about how at least 3/4 of these ornaments are from Hobby Lobby. It's super helpful because they have it all organized by color scheme, so it kind of like helps you to see what would go together. So Hobby Lobby for the win. We are so happy with how our tree turned out. Our flocking experiment ended up messy, but also really pretty. And we were really happy with how all the ornaments came together. This faux fur tree skirt is not big enough, so I'm going to be adding onto it. And we've got some other fun things we're putting under the Christmas tree. So excited to show you all of this in our Christmas home tour video. So be sure to check that out.
And here it is. It looks really, really good. Like seriously, it turned out way, way better than I ever could imagine. Lauren, you are the ultimate Christmas magic.
She's a Christmas queen.
Okay, she's that. So guys, be sure to also check out, we went a little bit overboard this year with our Christmas lights on the outside, which we've never done before. So we are so excited to show you guys that as well. We will link it if that video is already done. We are also doing a full Christmas house tour.
Yeah, we're doing a lot with the inside of the house, and we'll show you all of that when it's done. So excited. Christmas time is coming.
All right guys, thanks, we'll see ya.
Bye.